Lots of touring bike riders watch our channel.
Yeah, but there was a time I was intimidated by big touring bikes.
But hey, you gotta start somewhere.
That's very true.
Everyone remembers their first motorcycle.
I know I do.
You guys, what was your first bike? Hey, it doesn't matter if it was a shiny new street bike or a busted up hand-me-down with half a throttle grip.
Yeah, but once you twisted that throttle, you're hooked.
Yeah, you're in it for life.
Hey guys, this is Mike.
And Renee.
And we're
Middle-aged Road
Rage.
Some of us started riding easy.
While some of us rode over our heads.
But for many of us, that first ride didn't even occur on the street. It happened in a dusty backyard or a vacant lot or some half-legal dirt patch behind the neighborhood. Heck, you could crack open a Sears catalog and find something that looked like a cross between a bicycle and a freaking lawnmower.
Yep, everyone I knew had one of those. And a lot of us started out on the dirt.
Hey, that's you on your KX250.
How did that get in there?
They say if you ride in the dirt, you can ride anywhere. But then some people think they can ride anything, and you might end up with something that's a bit above your skill level.
Yeah, like my friends and I, we went and got the fastest rice burners we could afford.
Afford? Well, yeah, you had to save money for all those freaking tickets you guys got, too.
No comment.
All right, well, the first official bike I bought with my own money was a Honda Magna. The first bike I ever rolled was the one you taught me on, your CBR 600.
That's right, I remember that.
So you admit it.
Once again, no comment.
But back in the day, it seemed like everybody's dad, uncle, or grandfather was trolling around on one of these things, right, Mike?
Yeah, that's true. And if you would have told me that one day I'd be riding one of these things, I would have slapped you in the face.
Now stop flirting with me, Mike. But yeah, it's true. Eventually we ended up with a Honda Goldwing. And you know what? We couldn't be happier touring around together. But we really want to know, what was your first motorcycle? What did you have in the garage for the very first time?
Why don't you guys leave a comment and let us know?
Yeah, and we'll get back to you soon. We'll talk to you later.